We have a wonderful interdisciplinary team that's creating math snacks. It includes mathematicians, learning scientists, math educators, and researchers. And then we work closely with the Learning Games lab to actually design the materials.
The Learning Games Lab is a university-based development shop, so we really value research. Research on the need for what we're creating, research on the best way to teach or to help people learn that information, user testing and research while we're developing on making it effective, and of course research to find out the effectiveness of the materials we've created. Everything here at the Learning Games Lab is about education and about transforming the learner.
One thing I really enjoy about working at the Learning Games Lab is that I have a lot of input on the development and the design of the games, and I really get to do a variety of different things.
Since we are a smaller design studio, I've taken part in several other aspects of the production pipeline. I've written scripts, developed storyboards, worked on concept art, and then final art, final animations, and then even more technical stuff like sound editing, sound recording, directing, voice actors, video editing, anything it takes to kind of get the project done.
I love math. I've always loved math. I became a mathematician. I do math for fun on Friday nights. To me, mathematical ideas are living, breathing, beautiful entities. And but in classrooms, too often they come across as cut and dried and dead and laid out. And I've been wanting for years to find better ways to engage kids in real living mathematics. And now that we have this gaming technology, what it is, and growing by leaps and bounds, it just makes sense to use that technology to bring mathematics to life as an interactive thing for kids not just to see, but to do. And so it's been great to work with a team of people who knows how to do that. They know how to engage kids, they know the tools, they know what makes kids interested in a game, what good gameplay looks like, they know how to make cool looking layouts, and then we put that together with some real math ideas, and then you see it in the classroom, you see these kids engaged in a real math idea through this beautiful piece of technology, and it's just a wonderful thing.
A big factor in educational game and tool development is figuring out how to get the product to the audience who can benefit from it. And partnering for dissemination is a big part of my job. For example, with Math Snacks, we had worked extensively with our local public school district to integrate Math Snacks into the classroom, including doing a randomized controlled study showing the effectiveness of these tools in generating learning outcomes. But now what excites me is finding ways to expand to a national audience and put these tools in the hands of teachers and students all over the country. GlassLab Game Services is a really neat setup because the truth is we all know as game development studios that teachers in the educational game arena, they really want data about how their students are using the games, and they want to be able to have a login for their class, and there's things they want that are just sort of infrastructure around the game, but for us to build that independently would have been a really big investment. And by using GlassLab Game Services, we're able to obtain that framework for teachers to use and be able to showcase our game, which is what we really want to do.
We like working with the people at GlassLab Games because they want what we want. They're game developers, so they get it. All of them are working from the promotions person to the project manager to the programmer. Everybody there is working towards getting a good collection of games and making it easy for teachers and for learners to use them. When you work with people that have a shared vision and a shared purpose, it just makes the whole process more enjoyable.